Hey, this is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Well, do you ever have this happen at your desk? And your face probably looks like that out of frustration now that you have to go behind your desk and dig out that cable that just fell because you disconnected it from something. Well, here's a quick tip that can help you out for having to avoid that from happening, and simply is by using one of these, a simple binder clip. So all you're going to do is take that clip and connect it to the side of your desk or the back of your desk. Unhinge the lever from it, put the cable in between that lever, and rehinge it back onto the binder clip. Now whenever you disconnect that cable, it's going to be slid and caught by that, so it will keep it in a very neat and tidy situation on the side of the desk so you know exactly where that cable is. And when you come back, you can reconnect it with complete ease and not having to worry about the cobwebs or the dust behind your desk and trying to figure out where the heck did that cable just fall to. I hope that helps you out the next time you're going mobile and moving away from your desk. Or if you do have any questions or need any other assistance with your technology inside of your office, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do, and you can always find us at 719-439-0599 or on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. I appreciate you hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. We'll see you next time, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much.